Is my mom here?
Thank God she isn't. I'm starving.
I'm bored. What should I watch? I guess I'll just watch TikTok.
That's popped up on my phone. That Kaylee? She's in the kitchen? What is she doing in there?
Don't just sit here and getting her in bed. So I'm not just gonna sit here anymore. I'm gonna go get her in bed.
Alrighty, what should I get? Uh-oh.
I think that was my mom.
Ugh, where is she right now?
Okay. I didn't think you'd do this. I really thought you were good.
But I am good.
Nope. You're grounded.
Oh man,
Right before summer break.